front of me is XIAOMI 17T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. First of all, you need to launch Messages app and select or create a chat. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, use this button of a photo at the bottom right corner. Now, to take a photo and add it, operate camera portion of your screen, and when you're ready, send it. If you want to add already existing photos, hold this line, drag it up, and tap on all of those you wanna send. Then send them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!